Let's go! I'm actually gonna break out, bro.
Hey guys, it's me Prince. So we need to do a facts on kinemaster. First, get normal. Go all the way down and go to scope. And then first is normal. And let's see the results. Ta-da! Second, teenager 74. Okay, this is good. Okay, now we need to do this. You go to this. See guys, and do Hulu. Now go down to the get flashy and get this. This is all the things that I just show you for. It's the teenager 4. Do like this. Okay, guys. Now we need to put it over there like this. Okay. Now go to circle like this. Now go to see that's teenager 4. Wait, guys. I need to cross something. Oh. Okay, that one. Fine. Now let's go to one. To the pitch 2. Now put this guitar low. But it's almost done. Yet plus that, and then go to chipmunk. That's the effects. Now the effects is teenager 76998888997777. So 1, 2. So this is 2, and this is 4. Now let's see those first. That's the way first. So we need to do this. Oh, make a photos here. So time to go down. Kinemaster. Yeah. Now this is gonna be so cool. I just do it. Volleyball. This is one. But get merge. Make it merge. How to make no voice for kinemaster. So first you go all the way down, do like this, and then do like this.
What is this idiot doing? I think this is a whole prison revolt going on already. Let's go.
You like this? Now let's see you first. Wait.
I'm killing all the prisoners. I killed Mangapool's girlfriend. Wait, Mango, you got arrested?
Yes, bro, I got arrested.
Bro, what the heck? How'd you get arrested?
I like this. So that's the first ultimate teenager 70. Oh no. How to make teenager set. How to make teenager the full teenager or a kinemaster. So do like this. No singing, no singing. Okay. Wait. I know what to do, but it's not teenager. It just put pitch 3. Now let's see the reverse. Now how to make Morge. Okay. Wait, that's not Morge. It's not Morge. It's actually something I can't say. No, it's Morge. Do like this. Like this. It's always people. See, that's the reverse. Let's see the reverse. Ta-da! Now, how to make guys. We go back to the thing.
Ready to save up to 45% on your energy?
Okay.
Today, Archie and I are using every ultimate in the strongest battlegrounds versus 100 players. We are going to take the
Okay.
and we should besides the ultimate we can use. Subscribe to join the Doodle and Archie family, and let's get started. Archie, we are back!
How to make
And today,
not to do stuff around the tour. Let's do like this.
you're not chewing that this entire
My bugs, guys, how they?
Get some tour. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, boop, boop. Like this. That's like this. Ta-da. That's how to make you.
Actually, you owe me. Alright, you guys, I will now do anything for $10. Who's got something? I got one. I'll give you $10 if you wear the same pair of underwear for a month. Hey, actually, you owe me 20. Ew. Here's 50. Go change your underwear. It won't come off. Alright, you guys,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hey, baby.
Okay. And Garfouche is the last.
Yo, did you make ratatouille? Bro, wait,
Get me first.
what the fuck? Yo, did you make ratatouille? Bro, mommy made. Wait, how did you know how to make that? What the fuck? Yo, did you make ratatouille?
Go back up.
Yo.
Wait, Evo and Puppy is the last one. That was it, guys. Goodbye.